this is what got me to thinking I needed to cover this. This is what this young gentleman had to say about Killer Mike. All right, here we go.
1965 Voters' Rights Act just got gutted. They gutted it. They literally eviscerated it, and it's now trying to make it easier or allowed it to be easier for states to redraw district lines to annex those most in need out. This is not just black people and African Americans. This is poor people. So based on where you are, the more poor people are, they can chop you up. They can make sure you aren't voting on the behalf of the poor and the interest.
And one, people have not gone into detail about what they've done. They've basically, and like I said, I went through the whole thing over the weekend to figure out what was going on, because I know when whatever the news says, it could either be underplayed or overplayed. So what they're basically saying is that the Voting Rights Act has basically had some provisions that were put in place that was basically, I'll make it the most simplistic way I can put it. They have basically made it easier now to where harder now you have to prove something is being racially biased before, you have to prove something is racially biased before they'll actually change it politically now when it comes to the Voting Rights Act. That's the most simplistic way I can put it, because basically all they're saying is that, and I'm tripping off that because I could have sworn that's how it was anyway.
Talk that L talk. Move that L walk. Let's rock. When I speak, whole place go off. Hands up high when the boss says so.